Tech Help Direct was created from passion. I felt like I needed to focus on larger businesses and help them grow. We're really good at what we do, we really enjoy it, and our clients prosper from it.
Tech Help Direct is one of the leading consultancies for Apple and Microsoft solutions in Australia. We support a large variety of clients, specifically businesses that are focused on growth.
We more than just help, we make. We have a great team which makes solutions to help them go, beyond what they probably even know they could do.
We love to look at how we can improve business efficiency. We do it in a way that customers find really easy to understand, which I think is really important.
It's not just about a job, it's about coming to work and being a part of a vision that we share.
That, you're having a real impact in what you do day to day.
Because IT shouldn't be something you worry about. That's our job, to take care of it and make sure it's done. And that's what we do.
We focus on managed services for clients. We manage and monitor their technology infrastructure, their cloud solutions, their cybersecurity. Our focus is to help businesses flourish with technology and maintain and manage that and do a good job of it.
As soon as I started working at Tech Help Direct, I felt at home. There's a culture that feels like family.
I love seeing the end result of a business going from its starting point up into a multi-billion-dollar company, which when you play a part in that, it's quite exciting.
With IT Managed Services, it really helps us focus on providing the top-tier service to any client. It allows us to detect issues initially. It allows us to be proactive. It allows us to reassess their infrastructures consistently to always make sure that they are ahead and they can just focus on exactly their business and not the IT that's meant to be helping them.
You can achieve anything. It's so simple, really, when you think about it.
IT out there is a dangerous world, and we're here to make sure that they are safe and protected.
So many other companies don't do it right.
We're in this to raise the bar on IT management, and that's what we do.